Hello, my dear happy family. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha.
Hello everyone. Raksha, today you look very confident, yeah?
Ha Lohi, because today's topic is very close to my heart. Many people think English can be spoken only outside, but actually, English starts at home.
That's true. Even I feel scared to speak English in public, but at home I feel safe.
Exactly. That's why today we are not teaching grammar, we are speaking English.
Oh wow. So what are we going to do today?
Today, we will practice 50 very simple English sentences that you can speak daily at home.
Only 50. That sounds easy.
Huh, but don't underestimate small things. Small sentences spoken daily change your life.
True.
Right, Lohi. Dear viewers, please don't just listen. Pause the video, repeat with us, speak loudly, even if your pronunciation is not perfect.
Yes, friends, mistakes are allowed here.
Always allowed. Lohi, tell me one thing. What is the first thing you say after waking up?
Usually nothing. I just scroll my phone.
Ha, same story everywhere. But from today, say this sentence loudly. I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
Very good. Viewers, repeat with us.
Raksha, what if I wake up late?
Then honestly say, I woke up late today. English doesn't judge you.
Nice.
Next sentence you can say, Good morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Say it to your parents, siblings, even to yourself.
Talking to myself in English, is that okay?
Not okay, it's powerful.
Oh.
Next sentence, I need to freshen up.
I need to freshen up.
Simple, right? But most people think English must be difficult.
Yes, they think English means big words.
No, Chinna. English means clear thinking. After freshening up, say, I am feeling fresh and energetic.
I'm feeling fresh and energetic.
Even if you're not energetic, say it. Your mind will believe it slowly.
Like positive thinking.
Exactly.
Next, today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day.
This sentence is very powerful, Lohi.
Yes, I feel good after saying it.
That's the magic of speaking.
Raksha, what about exercise? Many people don't exercise.
Then at least say, I should exercise for a few minutes.
I should exercise for a few minutes.
Very good. The word should is useful for daily life.
Should means advice, right?
Ha, self-advice. Next sentence, I will plan my day properly.
I will plan my day properly.
Even planning to sleep is also planning.
True.
Then say, I need to prepare breakfast.
I need to prepare breakfast.
Or, I need to help in the kitchen.
That will shock my family.
Let them get shocked in English. Now an important sentence. I should not waste time today.
I should not waste time today.
Even if you waste time, don't stop speaking English.
That's comforting.
Last morning sentence is, I am ready to start my day.
I am ready to start my day.
Excellent.
Raksha, these sentences are so simple. Why people are scared of English then?
Because they wait for perfection, not practice.
Deep.
Now let's talk about home activities.
Okay.
While cleaning your room, say, I am cleaning my room.
I am cleaning my room.
If your room is already clean, lie a little. English practice is more important. Next, please keep things in their place.
Please keep things in their place.
Say this to your younger brother or sister.
They won't listen, but okay.
At least English will improve. After cleaning, say proudly, the room looks neat and clean.
The room looks neat and clean.
Confident sentence.
Yes, I feel responsible suddenly.
Next, I am arranging my books.
I am arranging my books.
Even if you arrange one book, sentence is valid. Then, I need to wash the dishes.
I need to wash the dishes.
English makes work feel lighter.
True, actually.
Now a very important sentence for family life. I am helping my family.
I am helping my family.
This sentence builds character also.
Yes, not only English.
When someone disturbs you, say politely, let me finish this work first.
Let me finish this work first.
Very useful sentence.
Yes, better than shouting.
After working, say honestly, I am feeling a little tired.
I'm feeling a little tired.
No drama, just truth.
Simple English, simple life.
Then say, I need to take a short break.
I need to take a short break.
Break is allowed, quitting is not.
Motivation also coming side by side.
English with life lessons, Lohi. Last sentence in this set, I will complete this work soon.
I will complete this work soon.
Even if soon means tomorrow. Dear viewers, see how naturally English is flowing?
Yes, friends, this is not a class. This is daily life.
Exactly. English should live with you, not scare you.
Now, pause the video, repeat all sentences once again loudly.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. All right, Lohi. So far, we spoke about morning time and homework.
Yes, Raksha. Honestly, it didn't feel like learning English. It felt like talking.
That's exactly the point. If English feels heavy, you will escape. If English feels normal, you will stay.
True.
Now, let's move to the most loved place in every home.
Kitchen?
Food connects everyone, and English too.
Nice combination.
Okay, Lohi, imagine it's lunchtime. What is the first thing you usually feel?
Hunger, Raksha. Full hunger.
Then say this sentence loudly. I am feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
Very good. Viewers, don't whisper. Speak like you mean it.
Raksha, sometimes I feel shy even at home.
That's okay. Shyness will go only after speaking, not before. Now suppose you're thinking about food. Say this. What should I cook today?
What should I cook today?
Very useful daily sentence.
Yes, especially for families.
You can also say, what should I eat today?
Oh, nice. Small change.
English is flexible, Jinnah. When food is being cooked, say, the food smells very nice.
The food smells very nice.
This sentence makes mothers very happy.
True. Compliment in English also works.
Of course, now this one is very real. I like simple home food.
I like simple home food.
Even if you like biryani, say this sometimes.
Haha.
English practice is more important than menu. While eating together, you can say, please pass me the salt.
Please pass me the salt.
Very polite sentence.
Better than just saying salt.
Exactly. English teaches manners too. Now the happiest sentence. This dish is very tasty.
This dish is very tasty.
Say it slowly. Enjoy the words like food.
Tasty sentence.
While eating, you can say, I am eating slowly.
I am eating slowly.
Even if you're not slow, say it.
English lies are allowed.
For practice, yes. Another important health sentence. I should drink more water.
I should drink more water.
This sentence improves English and health both.
Double benefit.
After eating, say honestly, I am full now.
I am full now.
Simple, clean sentence.
Yes, no confusion.
Last kitchen sentence, let's clean the table together.
Let's clean the table together.
This sentence builds teamwork.
And responsibility.
And English.
Raksha, these sentences are so practical. Why didn't we learn English like this in school?
Because school taught English as a subject. Life needs English as a skill.
Deep again.
Life itself is the best teacher. Now let's talk about personal time.
My favorite part.
Everyone needs me time. When you relax, say, I am watching a video.
I am watching a video.
Even now, viewers are watching this video.
Yes, friends, say it loudly.
Very important sentence for this channel. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Even if you miss one day, don't stop saying it.
Mindset matters.
Exactly. Next sentence, I want to improve my speaking skills.
I want to improve my speaking skills.
This sentence is your goal.
Yes, my dream actually.
And dreams need daily words. When you feel lazy, say, I should practice more.
I should practice more.
Don't say I can't. Say, I should.
Small word, big power.
While watching English videos, say, I am listening carefully.
I am listening carefully.
Listening is the first step to speaking.
Yes, like babies.
Exactly. When you understand something, say, this is easy to understand.
This is easy to understand.
Confidence sentence.
It removes fear.
When learning feels slow, say, I will not give up.
I will not give up.
Very emotional sentence.
Yes, I felt it.
Viewers, pause and repeat this one twice. Next, I am becoming more confident.
I am becoming more confident.
Even if you don't feel it now, say it.
Fake it till you make it.
But honestly, now a very powerful sentence. I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself. This feels emotional.
Because many people never say this to themselves. Last sentence of this set, learning English takes time.
Learning English takes time.
And that's okay.
Yes, no pressure.
Dear viewers, notice something?
We didn't use big grammar rules.
Yes, only small, honest sentences.
That's why it feels so easy.
Exactly. Now pause the video here. Repeat all food and personal time sentences.
Stand in front of the mirror if possible. Smile and speak.
English loves confidence, not perfection. Welcome back, friends. Lohi, after food and personal time, what do people do most?
Raksha, honestly, phone, mobile, screen.
Very honest answer. So let's use the phone to improve English, not waste English.
That sounds fair.
Okay, Lohi, imagine you picked up your phone. Say this sentence. I'm checking my phone.
I am checking my phone.
Very simple, but powerful because it's real.
Yes, everyone does this daily.
If you're busy, you can say, I'm a little busy right now.
I am a little busy right now.
Polite and clear.
Better than shouting or ignoring.
Exactly. When someone calls you, say, I will call you later.
I will call you later.
Very useful daily sentence.
Yes, I usually say it in my language.
Now say it in English. If you don't want to talk much, say, let me finish this first.
Let me finish this first.
This sentence gives you space.
And sounds respectful.
When you're free, say, I'm free now.
I'm free now.
Short sentence. Daily use sentence.
Very easy.
Now, Lohi, let's talk about family conversations. This is very important.
Yes, because family is always around us.
Exactly. You don't need outsiders to practice English. In the evening, you can ask, how was your day?
How was your day?
Very caring sentence.
Yes, it feels warm.
When someone asks you the same, reply, it was good or it was a little tiring.
It was a little tiring.
Honest English is best English. If someone is worried, say, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Small sentence, big comfort. If you want to help, say, I will help you.
I will help you.
Say it and mean it.
Yes, action also important.
When you're happy, say, I'm feeling happy today.
I am feeling happy today.
Don't hide happiness.
Yes, English also expresses emotions.
When you feel low, say, I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
This sentence can be emotional or physical.
Very useful.
Now, evening time, Lohi. After work, after study, what do you feel?
Tired.
Then say, I need some rest.
I need some rest.
Rest is not laziness.
It's self-care.
Exactly. When you sit quietly, say, I am relaxing now.
I am relaxing now.
Say it slowly. Feel the calm.
Peaceful sentence.
Now let's come to night time, Lohi.
My favorite time.
Same here, China. Night is best for self-talk. Before sleeping, say, today was a long day.
Today was a long day.
No complaints, just acceptance.
Then say, I did my best today.
I did my best today.
This feels emotional.
Because many people are too hard on themselves. Next sentence, tomorrow will be better.
Tomorrow will be better.
Hope sentence.
Yes, very positive.
Before sleeping, say clearly, I should sleep now.
I should sleep now.
And then actually sleep.
Phone down.
Final night sentence, good night everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Say it to your family. Say it to yourself.
Raksha, something is happening.
What happened?
English doesn't feel scary anymore.
That's the goal, China. Friends, listen carefully. You don't need 10 hours of study. You need daily speaking.
Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough.
But consistency is everything. Pause the video now. Repeat all evening and night sentences.
Speak slowly. Smile. Believe in yourself.
One question.
Yes?
Do you think English is only for intelligent people?
No, Raksha. English is for brave people. People who speak even with mistakes.
Beautifully said. Dear viewers, if you can speak your mother tongue, you can speak English.
You just need practice, patience and belief.
Exactly. Lohi, we've come a long way in this conversation.
Yes, Raksha. Honestly, it feels like we spent a full day speaking English.
That's the beauty of this lesson. English is not 1 hour of study. English is life.
I feel that now.
Before we end, let's slowly revise all the sentences. Not like students, but like normal people talking at home.
Yes, revision without pressure.
Exactly. Lohi, when you wake up tomorrow morning, what will you say first?
I woke up early today.
Good. And then?
Good morning, everyone.
Nice. Then?
I need to freshen up.
Perfect. See how natural it sounds now?
Yes, no fear.
When you look at yourself in the mirror,
I am feeling fresh and energetic.
even if you're sleepy, say it.
Yes, mindset first.
When you think about the day,
Today is going to be a good day.
beautiful. When you feel lazy,
I should exercise for a few minutes.
even 2 minutes is fine.
True,
When planning your day,
I will plan my day properly.
and in the kitchen,
I need to prepare breakfast. I need to help in the kitchen.
your family will be shocked.
But happy,
When you feel distracted,
I should not waste time today.
strong sentence. And before starting work,
I am ready to start my day.
excellent. Now home activities. Your room is messy.
I am cleaning my room.
You see something out of place?
Please keep things in their place.
After cleaning,
The room looks neat and clean.
proud moment. Books everywhere?
I am arranging my books.
Dishes calling you?
I need to wash the dishes.
Family around you.
I am helping my family.
Very important sentence. Someone interrupts you?
Let me finish this work first.
When you're tired?
I am feeling a little tired.
So?
I need to take a short break.
And motivation?
I will complete this work soon.
Even if soon is slow. Now food time again. Jack? What do you say?
I am feeling hungry.
Thinking?
What should we cook today?
Smell comes?
This food smells very nice.
Eating?
I like simple home food.
Table talk?
Please pass me the salt.
Taste?
This dish is very tasty.
Speed?
I am eating slowly.
Health?
I should drink more water.
Finish?
I am full now.
Responsibility?
Let's clean the table together.
Perfect. Now personal time. Phone in hand?
I am watching a video. I am checking my phone.
Learning mood?
I am learning English every day.
Goal?
I want to improve my speaking skills.
Lazy moment.
I should practice more.
Focus.
I am listening carefully.
Understanding?
This is easy to understand.
Difficult day.
I will not give up.
Confidence.
I am becoming more confident.
Heart-touching one.
I am proud of myself.
And reality?
Learning English takes time.
Yes, and that's okay. Now family and evening talk.
How was your day? It was good. It was a little tiring.
Support?
Don't worry, I will help you.
Emotion?
I am feeling happy today. I am not feeling well.
Rest?
I need some rest. I am relaxing now.
Night time. Slow voice.
Today was a long day. I did my best today. Tomorrow will be better.
Then?
I should sleep now. Good night, everyone.
Perfect.
Raksha, something changed inside me.
Tell me?
English doesn't feel like a subject anymore. It feels like a friend.
That's the biggest success of this video. Dear viewers, listen from your heart. You don't need confidence to speak English.
You get confidence by speaking English.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is.
Speak at home. Speak alone. Speak with family.
Even if your grammar's broken, your courage is not.
If you practice these 50 sentences daily, after 30 days,
You will start thinking in English.
after 3 months,
You will speak without fear.
after 6 months,
English will feel natural. Remember one thing, Chinna. English is not a 30-day miracle.
it's a daily habit.
And habits change lives. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Thank you for trusting yourself.
If this conversation helped you,
Like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha.
until we meet again,
Keep speaking.
keep growing.
Bye bye.